This video will show you how to install the Xcluder Dock Leveler Side Seal Kit. In addition, we will guide you through the process of installing the Xcluder pull chain plug, which is sold separately. First things first, be sure to wear your safety glasses and safety gloves. Step 1. Prepare your work area. Raise your dock leveler to expose the sides of the dock. Then set your safety bar or any other type of safety mechanism appropriate for your dock leveler. Step 2. Lubricate the channel in the retainer with a spray lubricant of your choosing. Next, slightly pry open one end of the channel with a screwdriver. Step 4. Then, you will need to fold the rubber over and slide it into the retainer. Repeat steps 1 through 4 with the other retainers and rubber. Step 6. Now measure the dock leveler from the hinge all the way to the front edge. At minimum, the seal must extend past the closed door to be effective. Then, cut the piece to its proper length, based on your measurements. Step 8. Repeat steps 6 and 7 for the other side. Step 9. Finally, use an impact drill to attach the retainers to each side of the dock leveler, ensuring that the top edge of the rubber is flush with the top of the dock leveler. After attaching the seals to the leveler, the outside channel end should be crushed slightly with pliers to prevent the seal from creeping out. Installation of the Xcluder Dock Leveler Side Seal Kit is now complete. Your final step is to remove the safety bar or mechanism to allow the dock leveler to lower. Now, on to installation of the Xcluder pull chain plug, which is sold separately from the dock leveler kit. First, be sure that you have the correct plug size. The plugs come in 3 different sizes: 1 3/4 inches, 2 inches, and 2.5 inches. Step 2. Lift the pull chain 8 to 10 inches. Be sure to do this without activating mechanisms. Step 3. Next, insert the shaft of a screwdriver into a link of the chain, preventing it from falling below the leveler. Then, remove the existing ring using a bolt cutter or a cutoff wheel. Step 5. Put the S-hook through the top link and compress it completely using tongue and groove pliers. Step 6. While holding the plug, remove the screwdriver and slowly lower it into the cup. Check to be sure the plug has been properly sized. It shouldn't fall through the chain clearance hole or stand above the leveler surface. Installation of the Xcluder pull chain plug is now complete. Have other entry points that rodents and pests use to get inside? We have you covered. See the full line of proven exclusion products at buyxcluder.com.